Hi, I'm Kyle with Decker's Pondscapes, and this week on Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to talk about spillway placement. In most cases, we like to keep it semi-level with the weir and the water forces out. But in this instance, we're going to drop it back and down so it wells up like a natural spring. Let's get this thing dug out and show you how we do it. We're going to start by peeling back this liner and dig out our spot for the spillway. Now I got my spot dug out for my spillway placement. You go ahead, place down, double check. I think we're good to go. Our next step's going to be bulk fitting this liner. So what we got going on here is our bulk fitting placement. We actually cut out a hole for the 2-inch line, and now we're going to reinforce this whole area with a patch. So that's